Hello, I'm Chris Menard, part of my Excel 1-minute video series. Today I need to correct the names in column A. They're all lowercase. I want to make them proper case. This function is found under formulas. It's in the text group. It is the proper function. So here we go. I'm just going to type it from scratch though. So I'm going to insert a column. That column I don't really need, so I'm going to call it temporary. But here's the function equals proper. A2, my name is now correct, crosshairs, double click. It's temporary because I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste values. I don't need column B anymore, so I'm going to right click and delete it. There is the proper function to fix the names and make them proper case. Feel free to subscribe. Thank you.